Hi everyone, my name is John. I've got this timer here. You can set it for a countdown timer for 99 minutes and 55 seconds. And I wanted to show you a little bit about it. It's got these great magnets on the back, so you can magnetize it to just about anything. It's got a little stand right here that you can pull up, and you can set it up like that. Takes two AAA batteries that are not included, so make sure you put those in. Just slide the back off, pop them in, super easy. Now, the way this works, the way you set the clock, it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the M button, and that's going to begin flashing. And then you're just going to press this button to go higher. Okay, it says 12 p.m. And then this button over here, the S, is going to be for your minutes. And you're just going to press it to where you want it to be. And then when you're all done, you press the orange button, and that sets your clock up. Real simple. So if you want to go from the timing setting back to your clock, you're going to long press the orange button like this. Just press and hold. And that brings you back to the time. You can have the time at a 12-hour setting, or you can have it at AM, PM, 24-hour setting, if you like, 12 or 24. Now to go back to the timer, long press, you're back to the timer now. The timer will count down or it will count up. Very easy to use. You can set, right now, you just press this, 1, 2, 3 minutes, for the timer, and then you press the orange button to start the timer. The timer's on right now. Real simple to use. And you can stop the timer by pressing the orange button. And then if you want to go back to the clock, long press the orange button, and it brings you right back to the clock. So you can do a countdown timer, or you can do a timer that just goes on and goes up as high as you want. You can set it up. It's nice if you're doing, say, some kind of sports, or you're doing some cooking and you need a timer for your kitchen. This magnetized, or set it down like this. Real simple on the countertop. It's small, it's compact, it's very easy to use. There is a switch to toggle loud or soft alarm when the alarm goes off.